add a little water. We're going to melt the jaggery. Add jaggery. This is about 200 grams. The jaggery is completely melted. Keep this aside. Take a wide saucepan. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add 1 whole cup of fresh grated coconut. Roast it for a few minutes. You can see there's a little color change here. Once it's roasted, pour the melted jaggery through a sieve. Cook the mixture till it thickens. All the extra moisture should be evaporated completely. I'm going to add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of ghee at this point. You can turn off the stove. You can see it's nice and thick. Now you need to cool this mixture before we actually make the ela adas. Next, boil a little water. Add some salt. Once the water starts boiling, turn off the stove. I have 1 cup of rice flour. Add a teaspoon of ghee or oil. Add the hot boiling water. So you need to really mix this very quickly and mix the flour till you get a nice tight dough. Take a little ghee, apply it on your palms. Take a little of the rice flour dough. Put it in the center of the banana leaf and just pat it. Kept it a little thicker on the center. So now take a little bit of the coconut mixture. Spread it. Seal the banana leaf. So make sure you press it on all sides. Once the steamer is ready, place the trays into the steamer and steam cook the ela adas for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once they are done, you can serve them nice and hot. Make this lovely delicacy. It is really good and very tasty, and it's very healthy as well because it's steamed. So do try this and enjoy.